Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the music in the Duplo World application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the top of the page on the right, and then just enter your date of birth to confirm that you're an adult, and then just click on the settings button at the left side of the page, and just click on the white circle next to the music button to enable, and after that you can hear the music while you are playing the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.